Hello, Bear Nation. Principal Wilson here with this week's update. Happy Friday to everyone. I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend. Tonight is our first playoff region game for the high school here at the school, so I hope to see everyone out to support our Bears this evening. Just a couple of things to talk about today. One, if your kid rides the bus, we would greatly appreciate you having a little talk with them. We're seeing a lot of behaviors on the bus that is unbecoming to middle and high schoolers. So please just have a talk. Riding a bus is a privilege, and we do not want to have to take people off from riding the bus. But some of the behaviors have gotten out of control, and we're trying to nip that in the bud. So if you could help us with that, we appreciate it. Also, along the lines with buses, we have a new app. It's in the newsletter that you can see. We've had a lot of issues with covering bus routes because of the shortage of bus drivers this year, and we've created an app the district has to be able to track your bus, so you know exactly where it is and you don't have to go out to your bus stop until it gets there. So please go on to our website, follow those directions, download that app, and you'll be able to track your bus. This is something new. I will be able to pilot at Cherokee Bluff Middle School and Flowery Branch Elementary and Flowery Branch High School. Those are only 3 schools that we're utilizing this app in. So please, let's take advantage of that and let me know how it's working for you. Also, want to give everyone a huge shout out for the effort that we put into our partnership with Gretna Elementary School in Jefferson Parish, Louisiana. We were able to raise a total of $4,755. So we got real close to the 5,000 mark. I think we will hit it with a couple more donations, but we are going ahead and striking that check to them to get those classrooms underway. Our kids did a phenomenal job with that. They've been writing letters, been Zooming in some classes with the elementary kids. So this is a partnership that we will continue, and we appreciate your effort with that. It's not going to lie, it's been a tough week here at the Bluff, but one thing that I look back and reflect on this Friday is just the power of everyone in this community. The support that you show this school, the support that you show the teachers, and myself. It doesn't go unnoticed. We're very appreciative of that, and your teachers are working extremely hard to get your students, push your students to where they need to be academically, emotionally, just working through this last 18 months. So it's great to be a Bear. Have a wonderful weekend. We are truly one Bear Nation. Go Bears.